Okay, now I will build nice looking forecast. I would like to emphasize nice looking. It does not mean that this is good forecast. I just wanted to show you how too easy you can be fooled if you do something wrong. Look at this, I have downloaded. This is New Zealand dollar. Why New Zealand? Because I know nothing about New Zealand dollar. I know country, New Zealand, beautiful country, but know nothing about New Zealand dollar. And now we will make good looking forecast for New Zealand. You see, I will already set LBC somewhere here. I will make this price after LBC. I will make it invisible. I will click this button and so I do not see this price. And now I will make forecast. So I run Spectrum module and there are two rules. You see it shows target, what to forecast. I will make this target is invisible as well. I will set high 0. So, no, nothing. We know nothing about New Zealand dollar after end of 2021. Now, to make nice looking forecast, there are one rule. You need to set small sampling, so small sample size. To calculate spectrum, I will use the simplest algorithm. The simpler, the better. Temporary and Fourier discrete. Classical, Fourier this classical. And set FS stock memory 3. It will forecast based on a short available price history. And second parameter, FSM, forecast stock memory, set it, let it be 2. To build projection line on chosen cycle, we will use only last 2 cycles. To calculate periodograms, we will use 3 cycles. I will calculate and we will get, let's check this side, choose this cycle. This is 44.79 day cycle. And now let's check, let's look how this forecast works. I will highlight this piece of price history. Oh, very good. You see, very good forecast. I can make this forecast even better. I can increase amount of overtones. You see, amount of overtones, and I will get more close. Set it to. Okay, you see, this is very good forecast. Very good forecast until we don't know about future price movement. Now let's look at what is going on after LBC. So I set open this price history and you see it shows nothing. So once again, it's always easy to get nice looking forecast. And the point of this video, I would like to show you why I do so many work with walk forward analysis. You see this chart shows walk forward efficiencies for this cycle. LBC, out of sample, in sample data. Also recently, this is a cyclical genome. So all this feature need to get proper confirmation that cycle works. You see, my friends, 90% of work it's to get to confirm cycles ability, how it forecasts. To make forecast it's easy. As you see, it takes seconds. This is point of this video. It's very easy to get a nice looking forecast, and you know now how to get nice looking forecast. Next question. Next question. This is from Mustafa. You see, this is Forex. It seems to me, what's that? British pound, and he in Spectrum displayed cyclical genome for Forex, and he asked what about this interval, what about for intraday, because this cyclical genome in timing solution library, it's adjusted, calculated for end of day data, and how to prolong it. Firstly, pay attention, this big peak. This is a result of non-trading hours. This is a weekend. So I recommend to analyze to apply cyclical genome starting since no, let's say it 2 days. You see, 2 days period, 2 days till let's be 20 days. Okay, 20 days. So let's calculate cyclical genome for this interval since 2 days to 20 days. So I will set here this parameter. You see, you set this parameter and you see the period. I will set period 2 days. And here next I will do, just a sec. 2 days, okay, good. And next, this period I will set smaller. Let it will be 100. Just a sec. So I will set the period interval 2 days, 20 days. So we will calculate periodogram for this period. So far I'll remove all these cycles and I will show you what we will do. I will clear this cyclical genome, and you see what I'm going to do. I will use the same data set to calculate cyclical genome. So I will set LBC randomly for different dates, and will calculate periodogram for this LBC. So the model now is in backtesting mode, and now you can do this. You can set here, there is backtesting, set LBC, change LBC, will change LBC randomly and calculate periodogram. So I will set LBC randomly now. Okay, it's set randomly to some value, 2023, some October 2023. And now I will calculate spectrum. Okay, this is spectrum. This is what this spectrum shows. I will do auto selection. After selection does this, and now I will save this worksheet to some file. Oh, sorry, this spectrum to some file. Click this button CG, cyclical genome. Okay, I will let it be a name. I will set a cyclical genome use there. Let's set it 1 first. Okay, next I will set LBC randomly once again, and now it will be another periodogram, another cycles. You see different cycles. I will remove all these cycles. Click this button to remove all these cycles, and I will do auto selection. Okay, all cycles are here. So I will save this this spectrum. Cyclical genome second 2. Okay, so now once again I remove all these cycles. I will set LBC randomly, random way. It's set to 2020, and I will calculate periodogram. Will extract cycles here there. Maybe I will let this cycle. Okay, and next step I will set, I will save this worksheet, these cycles, this spectrum to file cyclical genome, and now it will be 3. It will be 3. So let me do this several times, and I will show you what we'll get. Just a sec. Okay. I already created, built about dozen cyclical genomes, and now I will repeat once again what I did. I run this program, backtesting, change LBC, and now I will change LBC randomly. So I click this button here. So LBC set randomly now. Now in spectrum model, you need to be sure that backtesting, that spectrum model is in backtesting mode. In other words, to calculate spectrum, it use the price history before LBC. Next, remove the cycles. We do not need these cycles anymore. And click calculate. So now the program will calculate LBC periodogram for new LBC. By the way, very good cycles here. Click after selection. So the program did after selection. Sometimes maybe you will have program help program will choose a cycle like this. It seems to me the cycle looks interesting. So we have these cycles, and now save these cycles into file. So I save this cycle into file. Let's call it, you see I have found some amount, let's do 15. Cyclical genome, 15 for, okay, done. So almost done. Next step, actually very simple. You see in TimeSmith Solution folder, you will find utility, its name, Spectrum Viewer. I'll run this utility, here it is. This utility is here. Or in next update, this utility will be available here in this miscellaneous. Here it is, it will be available next update. And now, just a sec, this is utility. Now I will download all spectrums, all my spectrums. I will open it, and you see these spectrums are located in this folder. TimeSmith Solution, Cyclical Genome, and this is all my spectrums. Now you can highlight all these spectrums. So press Shift button, Shift mouse key, sorry, not mouse, Shift keyboard on your keyboard. Shift key should be pressed, and now move the mouse, this. Okay, and now click open. This way you will download all 15 cyclical genomes. So click OK now, open, and you will get all these cyclical genomes are saved. Here, this is your new cyclical genome. You see some cyclical activities here. There are more cycles here. Now do this. Simply save this cyclical genome into file. Let's be my genome. Call it my genome. Just a sec. Okay, done. And you see, next, Mustafa, I will open your worksheet once again. This is your worksheet you have sent me. Wait a bit. Okay, this is spectrum you have sent me. And look at this. Now, in cyclical genome, open this, click this button to open your customized, your own genome. Click here, and you will find here, and not standard cyclical genome. And there is there is your file here. My genome is here, and so you see, you can see the most important cycles based on your financial instruments. After that, you can switch to this. Just a sec. Where is it? Forex. Your Forex. Yeah, you can run Forex, check Forex, calculate Forex, and then switch to genome. Okay, once again. So this way you can calculate cyclical genome for intraday. But you see, if you would like to calculate genome for shorter period, actually there is problem, because there is very important factor here. This gaps, non-trading hours. And in this case, maybe it's better to switch spectrum to bars. Metric price bars, and calculate genome for bars metric. So I hope it's clear now. Thank you.